Hello guys. Today Alex decided to invest in his agriculture rice. We have an upgrade steering wheel and we're gonna be installing it today. Shit, not gonna work. A progress update: we got the airbag out of the steering wheel, and for that we had to go buy two separate sets of Torx wrenches. Torx da ga jebem. So now comes the easy part. To im u garažu. We had to use a bit of a force, so the impact gun came out and we got the steering wheel off, and now he's gonna do his bullshit and mount the quick release. What?
He's gonna add the subtitles. Prvo treba da montiramo kap, to je ovo srednje. Pa na njega montiramo donji deo quick release-a, zatim sam quick release, to je ovaj, i na njega ide volan. And hopefully shit's gonna work.
All for some Instagram photos.
No, because the race car is slower.
Bullshit. Let's go get a fucking drink. The vision is coming together. Working on fucking cars, having a fridge, grabbing a drink.
Shit is fabulous.
And the quick release is fully mounted and the installation was a success. Now he can take Instagram pictures.